Today we are testing a theory. If we can get this engine to spool up a little more by pushing air into it with an air chuck. Alright, let's test it out. Since there's no butterfly at all, no throttle control in this engine, it's just gonna run wide open. Or I'm gonna do it on the half choke first, so it's gonna not be as much revs, and then I'm just gonna spray the air into it, see if it revs up at all. So, alright, let's get it. So you can, in fact, make it rev up a little more with some air. Alright, that's cool and good to know.